friends and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another Saturday morning show. Well, today we're gonna finish the orange Super 4, but first, as always, the riddle. What fuel is used in the top fuel class? A. An alcohol-gasoline mixture. B. A methanol-alcohol mixture. Or C. A methanol-nitromethane mixture. The answer is always at the end of a show. Well, today we finished the orange Super 4, and for some nice shots we drove her to the photo studio, to the photo studio, like I said, for some nice pictures. Let's see for yourself. Down in the garage. This week we also had some post come in. Our postman gave us a little something. As you see, I was already too nosy and I opened it already. And it's from Charles over there. And he has a fantastic channel. Big Charlie's Model Garage. check out his stuff. See, he does everything a little bit, and he does fantastic. I like that guy. It's really fantastic. Great job. Check out his channel if you did already. We go to the next segment. In order to cover the drag strip in less than 3.7 seconds.
The drag strip?
Drag strip.
I heard drag strip.
No, it's a drag strip though.
Okay, it's a drag strip.
But in order to cover it thing in less than 3.7 seconds, you have to feed those power plants some special fuel. What fuel is used in the top fuel class? Answer in the riddle. I really enjoyed this build a lot. It was crazy to build 4 engines at a time. It was really cool. By the way, here's a little sneak peek for next week's build. But for now, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people and keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks.
Cheers, ciao, see you later.
Ciao, sayonara, konnichiwa.